Nice to meet you.
Hello, how are you doing?
Oh, I'm great. Your name is Rock.
Yeah,
Okay, Rock, where are you from?
I'm from Congo.
Oh, great, great. Rock, what do you do?
I'm working somewhere in a company.
Oh, are you worker?
What?
Are you worker?
Okay,
Yes.
I'm a
So,
worker.
yes, what kind of job do you work? Hello, Rock. Could you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay. So, how long have you been practicing English and for what?
I've been here since 2 months. 2 months. Uh, I mean just to improve it.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
So you're practicing English for 2 months. Yes, great.
I practice. Yeah.
Yes, great. So tell me about your country. Why is your country famous? And specifically tell me some natural resource like well and gas. Is it available in your country?
Yeah, in my country, there are many places amazing and very weather. I can say the our now we are in the rainy season. It's raining every day. I can say every day,
Yes.
but in Congo, it's very good. It's very good. I can say the place amazing, so amazing. The life is easy. Yeah, the life easy.
Yeah, very nice. Yes, I know. Is your country agriculture?
Uh, I don't know, but I don't know. I'm new here. I can say I from Zambia. Do you know Zambia?
Yes, I know Zambia. But you live in Congo.
Okay. I I I live in now. I live in Congo. Yeah, I'm new here.
But you are a citizen of Zambia.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice, fantastic. So in Congo, which game is popular?
The game. I can say I see only the football and
Is cricket
handball.
available in Congo? Cricket?
Why?
Do children play cricket?
There are many of the big town, the big town.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
the big
fantastic.
town. There is the place for the children.
Do you live alone or with your family in Congo?
Uh, Here I have a new family. I have a new family. Yeah, many people are in Zambia.
Okay. What's your favorite hobby? Rock?
My favorite.
Hobby. What things would you like to do every day?
Oh, I like just to every day. I can say I like just to be online to explain in English every day, every time. Yeah, I can say every times, every day. That is my favorite if I am online.
Now you are learning English expertly.
Yeah, but I want just to improve it.
Do you read English book?
Yeah, I read this on my phone.
What?
On my phone,
Yes.
yeah.
What is your favorite author?
My book favorite.
Yes, your book favorite author.
My lotto. My favorite actor and or doctor, I can say. I read it just Rich Dad and Poor Dad in English.
Oh, Rich Dad Poor Dad.
Ancient English.
It is also popular in Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever read the book Think and Grow Rich?
The book, no, no.
It is also popular. So, could you tell me other popular author, especially who were born in USA?
Here, here,
I'm helping you, like,
nothing much.
yes, like Benjamin Franklin.
Benjamin Franklin
Yes, anymore? Could you tell me?
anymore,
Okay.
anymore, nothing much.
Okay, okay, very good. So thank you so much having a good conversation with you.